smooth and seamless. That's how you want your jobs to run. It's also how your tractor should run. Introducing the new 2027 John Deere 5E 3-cylinder tractors with our first ever eHydro transmission option in a utility tractor. Built for the way you work. Easy in this new eHydro starts with the twin touch foot pedals, helping you get up to speed 25% faster, moving forward and reverse with just a pivot of your foot.
The Hydro helps get me in position to do work with less effort and with more speed. It's smoother, you're just ready to do the work faster.
The pedal touch with the hydrostat is so much better than the gears. You don't have to worry about the clutch, and teaching operators how to use it. It's just right, left, and very simple to use.
Smart features like e-throttle, speed match, load match, and motion match keep you working at an even keel, automatically adjusting engine and transmission responses so you can stay in control without constant adjustments. Automotive-style cruise control keeps you moving smooth. Just set your cruise and relax. Let the tractor keep you doing that job at a constant speed.
I think that those pedals, they make it a lot easier in terms of just easing something down, being a lot easier on your equipment, a lot easier on the other equipment that we're trying to use to wrap the hay or do whatever.
Comfort and performance ride together in this redesigned operator station. 2027 improvements include a cab seat that swivels for better visibility, spacious legroom, and bright LED headlights and intuitive controls to keep you comfortable and focused on the job at hand.
It's a comfortable station, it's got plenty of space. I just could feel the open space.
And when it comes to staying connected, the 5E 3-cylinder tractors come standard with JD Link. An all-new display lets you monitor real-time machine location, diagnostics, and maintenance, all from one intuitive interface. With over 100 diagnostic codes and live data at your fingertips, you get unbiased information to make informed.
And not only can I monitor everything that I need to monitor, I can see the hydraulic oil temperature, I can see the engine coolant temperature, I can see all the temperatures I need to see, but then I can also go through and kind of change it whether or not I want to change the transmission, how it pushes forward, how it kind of eases back, depending on the sensitivity of the transmission, which I really appreciate.
And as your operation grows, so can your tractor. With optional Precision Essentials kits, you can add guidance, receivers, and documentation tools, bringing advanced technology to your 5 Series when you're ready. One tractor, endless jobs, from loader to mower in minutes. Quick change attachments keep you working, not waiting. Better yet, you'll be completing your tasks with 40% less effort. With over 50+ compatible implements from John Deere and Frontier, these 5E 3-cylinder tractors are built to handle 100% of your property tasks.
Being able to change implements smoothly and efficiently is critical, and the eHydro maximizes that.
In addition to our new eHydro transmission, we continue to offer our synchronized gear transmission and our power reverser options, giving you the very best choices for transmission options in our 5E lineup. Lastly, these tractors are backed by factory warranty coverage and supported with PowerGuard extended protection, giving you durability, uptime, and peace of mind. Smooth and seamless. That's how you want your operation to work. And now, that's how your tractor will work. The John Deere 5E 3-cylinder tractors with eHydro transmission, built for the way you work.